Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're doing a puzzle fun fold. Looks like that. Using the So Sincere and the Splendid Autumn DSP. Let's get started. You're going to need a card base that's measured 4 1/4 by 9 1/2, and you score it at 1, 2, 7 1/2, and 8 1/2. Then you have the base of the DSP pieces, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and here is the template for that. We're going to be cutting those. Then a piece of 6 by 6 DSP, and here is the template for that. You have to decide what part of the DSP you want this part. This piece you're going to discard, and this piece you're going to discard. Okay, so let's start with the card base. And you want to fold in and then out on both sides. I'm going to use my bone folder to burnish those. We'll do the same thing in and then out. So set that one aside. And we'll start with the card base here. And the first cut we're going to cut is in the middle right here, which will be 2 1/8. So cardstock 2 1/8. Then you're going to cut 3 1/4 here and 2 1/4 here. So turn it here, 3 1/4 here. I'll match it up to show you how it works in 2 1/4 here. So those are the what I consider the mats of the DSP. And then we'll do this. So I decided there's a lot of flowers down here, so I'm going to use this part that I want. So the first things first is the first cut is 1 inch on the end. So either this end or this end, or sometimes if the picture is really pretty, you could do 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. I think I'm going to do 1 inch on this side. And I'm going to you don't need that piece, so you're going to discard that. The second cut is you're going to cut a piece that measures 3 3/4. And as I said before, I want this part, so I'm going to cut 3 3/4 this way. Extra again. Then the third cut is going to be 1 7/8 horizontally. Then I'm going to turn it. So again, I'm going to match these. So this cut, and this is a 4. Once you get it, this cut 3 3/4 by 5. So on this piece, I'm going to cut 3 inches from the left, so that fits here. And then this one, I'm going to cut 2 inches. And just as the name of it calls, it's a puzzle piece. It's a puzzle. See how those fit perfectly on there? So we're going to go ahead, move this out of your way. And again, that matches the template. So we're just going to adhere these on here. Get my glue. That is the top part. And this is the bottom part. Trying to keep them so you don't get them mixed up. Some of them you'll probably figure out the sky part and things like that, but some of them may be a little deceiving. And that's it. So keep the positioning of this. Bring your card base back in, and you're going to put the adhesive just on the top flaps. And you're only going to adhere the outer edges. Whoops, I'm getting stuck here. So which means here, lining up, making that corner right there and pressing down. Doing the same with this piece. So glad the glue is forgiving and allowing me to move it around. And the same for this, the outer edges. So I like using that for the corner, that for the edge. Same thing here. Time enough to move that around. I'm going to let that dry. Then I'm going to take out the So Thankful for You. Get a piece of basic white. Cajun Craze to match the cardstock. Hexagon, heartfelt hexagon. Punch that out. And the key thing for this one is to get your dimensionals and only place it. You can do either left or right. I'm going to do the left. Only put the dimensional here on this corner and this corner. And that way, when you place this on, it'll be centered. And isn't that cool? So it actually looks like a puzzle piece that's opening and closing. It's a little off, I see. So let me just fix that. That's just a slight fold and burnishing it. There, that's better. So here you go, this one. And the original one. So thankful for you. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Please like, comment, share any of these video tutorials that I made for you. And my other ask is, if you would like to see more of them, please subscribe to my channel and you'll see more of these video tutorials. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.